My mobile detailing people, Hunter's Mobile Detailing in the building. Check me out, your boy got a rap. A whole lot's been going on since we've been gone. Hunter's Mobile Detailing, because every detail counts. Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Let's get it, y'all. Today we got a full detail. Check out. So today we got a full detail, polish, ceramic coating, shampoo of the seats, carpets. We're gonna take care of the whole thing, you guys. And I'm bringing y'all along with us. And I got my man Curtis on the camera, man. Say what's up to the peoples, Curtis.
What's going on?
Yes, sir.
People?
Yes, sir. All right. So Curtis, I don't want to call Curtis an employee. Curtis is my business partner, and we about to take over the mobile detailing business. I've only been in business for about 3 going on 4 months, you guys, and it's been a blessing. I've been taking over my area, and I also bought another van. Check the pic right here, y'all. Check it out. All right, so I purchased another van, and my man Curtis, he gonna take over this one right here, and he gonna do his thing, and we just gonna keep it going. Oh, by the way, we got a mobile detailing shop. I'm gonna be selling DI water, spot-free water. I'm gonna be selling detailing supplies. I'm gonna be selling clothing. I'm gonna be selling whatever I want to sell. It's my it's my building. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna take you guys along with me on this mobile detailing journey. And when I get going on business, y'all know I don't play. And if you don't know, y'all gonna know. But anyways, let's get to this detail. We don't want to be late. We 20 minutes out. Let's get to it. All right, so a little advice, you guys. It's just weird talking about, mobile detailing and trying to teach other people, and I just started. But my business has skyrocketed, and the best thing that you could do is promote yourself. If you ain't on social media, if you ain't on Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, Google, getting reviews, sending pictures, handing out flyers, going door to door, put your sign up. I just bought a promoting sign that I put on the side of the road, so when people drive by, they pull over and they take a picture of my sign, or they'll come and ask for a card. There's so many different tactics. And if you haven't already, check out my Instagram page. Hunter's Mobile Detailing. Check that out. You can kind of see the kind of pictures I'm posting and how I'm promoting myself. It's been working out for me. Another thing, when you're going out to these clients and you're going out to them for the first time, make sure you go above and beyond for them. And what I mean by that is put the dressing on in the vehicle, put that tire shine on, shine the rims, pick something to do that's extra. Most people don't do these little things, so when they see it, they're so amazed. You want them to call you back. Most of my customers are all repeat people that call me back, and then they let their uncles, cousins, aunties, they let everybody know that, man, this guy, hooked my car up. And also they promote it. I asked if they can go on Instagram and promote it, and most of the time I don't have to ask them. And those people follow those people, and then they follow me, and then it's just like a chain reaction. And it just boom, 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 boom. Sooner or later, people gonna know who you are. They see your logo, they gonna call, they gonna hit you up for all the details, man. So it's been pretty overwhelming. I had to bring a business partner in to help me, because, boy, if y'all haven't known already, I got a vending business also. Check out my channel. It's called Hunter's Vending. We're going to be doing a paint correction and a ceramic coating. It should take us about, I want to say 3 to 4 hours. And we got 2 vehicles, so we're gonna make about $1,000, hopefully in no more than 8 hours, you guys. So these are the kind of numbers that I'm doing just starting in the mobile detailing business. When you come into this business, you guys, put your standards high like this. You're gonna take over. You're gonna get all the clients. Go into it with that mindset, and that's how I went in with it. But I'll catch you guys at the location, and let's get it, y'all. All right, I got my man Curtis getting everything situated. We put the sign out on the side of the street. Check it out. Set up. This right here cost me $200. It's worth it, you guys. I'm telling you, it's worth it. Got my tent to set up to go over the cars if I need to use it, if it gets too hot. Brush, my generator. Extractor. And the vehicle. Y'all ready? The vehicle's not too dirty, so we're just gonna, touch it up, make sure everything is shining and looking nice, and let's get to work. Oh, go for it. Seemed like it was already wet. Okay. I guess we'll swap now. Everything rolling? Yep. right here is the clay bar. And what I'm doing is getting the contaminants off the vehicle that you can't get off from washing the vehicle. All right, you guys, we got the chemical guys right here, scratch swirl remover. So we're gonna polish the whole vehicle, take all the imperfections out. You know, it's hard to see on a white vehicle, but it's there. Every vehicle has it. So we're gonna take out the light scratches and swirl marks.
Let's see.
So now we applying the exterior protect. This is Xylon right here. I don't know if y'all heard about the company, but we rocking with it. Oh. Boy, I felt like we put in 12 to 15 hours, you guys, but we only worked a good 6 hours and 30 minutes to 7 hours. We made $980, and he loved it. He came out and he was like, man, I wish my cars would stay like this. I told him, just put it in the garage, man. Just never take it out. But anyways, y'all stay motivated, y'all stay encouraged, and we dropping that motivation and inspiration for the peoples that's kicking back, relaxing, doing nothing. Get up, man. My man Curtis said, get up. It's time to work.
It's time to work. Come on.
Yeah. Anyways, all glory to God. Y'all have a blessed one. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. Let's get it.